Inside your body, there is a hidden secret that decides your appearance, your color, your habits, even your future. And if I tell you that this very thing connects you to your parents, would you believe it? This thing is so tiny that it cannot be seen with the naked eye, yet it controls your entire life. DNA. DNA is actually a special kind of molecule that exists inside every single cell of our body. There are billions of cells in your body, and inside each one, this DNA is hidden, like secrets written inside a book. But the question is, what does this DNA actually do? Think about it. If you were building a house, you would need a blueprint. DNA is exactly like that blueprint, but it is the blueprint of your body. It decides how your hair will look, what color your eyes will be, how tall you will grow, and even how your voice sounds. And the most interesting part, this blueprint comes from your parents. Half of your DNA comes from your father and half from your mother. That's why children often look like both. But here's something strange. If everything is written in DNA, then why is every human different? The reason is, DNA is unique. Every human's DNA is almost the same, but there are tiny differences, and those differences are what make us unique. Now think about this. If DNA is like a book, how much information could it contain? Scientists say if we start writing down the complete DNA of a human, it would turn into a book with millions of pages. That means inside your body, there is a complete library hidden, working every single moment. But the story doesn't end here. DNA doesn't just shape how you look, it also controls everything happening inside your body, like your heartbeat, breathing, healing of wounds. All of this happens with its permission. And the most surprising part, DNA can copy itself. When new cells are formed in your body, DNA creates an exact copy of itself, so the new cell carries the same information. This process is so perfect that even after happening billions of times, mistakes rarely occur. But sometimes, a tiny mistake happens during copying, and that mistake is called a mutation. Sometimes this mutation is harmful. It can cause diseases. But sometimes it can also be beneficial, giving humans new abilities. Now, listen to another interesting fact. DNA is not shaped like a straight line. Instead, it looks like a twisted ladder called a double helix. This structure is so beautiful and complex that scientists are still studying it today. And here's something even more surprising. If we stretched out all the DNA in your body, its length could reach the sun and come back. Just imagine something so massive hidden in such a small body. But there's another twist in the story. DNA is not just found in humans. It exists in every living thing, whether it's an animal, a plant, or even a tiny microorganism. That means all life on Earth is built on the same basic principle, DNA. And that is what connects us all. Now the question is, if DNA is so powerful, can we change it? In today's world, science has advanced so much that we can even edit DNA. This technology is called genetic engineering. Through it, scientists are trying to eliminate diseases, and in the future, humans might even design their own children. But there is also a dangerous side. If we interfere with DNA too much, the results could be very dangerous, because it is the code that runs life, and even a small change can have huge effects. And now, one final fact that will truly blow your mind. You and any other human in the world share about 99.9% of the same DNA. That means no matter what country, color, or language, we are almost the same. Just 0.1% difference makes each of us unique. So the next time you look at yourself in the mirror, remember, inside you there is a coding shaped by billions of years of history. And that DNA is what makes you who you are. If you enjoy such amazing Top Facts English, then follow the channel, because in the next video, we are going to reveal another secret that you have never even imagined.